सबसे बड़े गुंडे तो हमारे कैप्टन जी हैं। इन्होंने अपने यंगर डेज में, अब भी काफी यंग है सर, ऐसी बात नहीं है,
जब मैं बहुत छोटा था
मतलब
बच्चा था, बड़ी शरारत करता था।
ये जो बीबर कट मारा है आज के दिन के लिए इन्होंने, Is he the sexiest director in the Hindi film industry? Ladies, after of course Mr. Kabir Khan, who is also quite a sexy beast, the fittest. He's a sexy beast.
रणवीर आप ट्रैक से अलग चले गए, मैंने पूछा।
sorry, हाँ, क्या what was the question?
मैंने कहा था आप तीनों ने क्या अपने लाइफ में कभी गुंडागर्दी की है?
इन्होंने सिनेमा हॉल में लोगों के सर पे बॉटल फोड़ी है, पूछो इनको।
आप बताइए अपना ना।
हाँ मैं
बताता हूँ। रणवीर ने एक मच्छर के साथ, इन्हें डेंगू हुआ था, काफी गुंडागर्दी करी, मेरी मुठभेड़ हो गई थी, ये बात बहुत जरूर है।
अरे इनमें इतना कूट के भरा हुआ है तेवर, इनकी अगली फिल्म का नाम ही तेवर है।
उसको हम क्लैरिफाई करेंगे। अर्जुन की नेक्स्ट फिल्म जो इनके डैड प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं इनके साथ, उसका नाम तेवर है। अब हंसें दोबारा।
हाँ।
Any director would want that. हर आदमी चाहता है कि उसकी फिल्म अच्छी करे. Actually, because a lot goes behind making a film. We are making a mockery right now just to entertain you, just because we want this film to work. So definitely there's a lot of pressure that builds onto you, and we hope that whatever we bring out entertains you. See, basically, whatever little you've gathered from the trailer, it's about two outlaws. And it's about outlaws which is created by the system. You know, usually when you go wrong, there is a reason behind going wrong. The time that the film is set in, there was a lot happening. Calcutta was politically very turbulent. So when you watch the film, you'll understand why it's called Gundi. The last script that the great Yash Chopra heard, that was the last narration that he heard. It's a very special for him, for us to do this film, because he really loved the script, he believed in the script. It's somewhere, in a lot of ways, inspired by his films. Maybe Kala Patthar or Diwar or whatever. It is set in the time when he was making films. And we hope that we can do justice to it. Secondly, that is why we want to dedicate this film to Yashji. Thirdly, what's very important is that, you know, it's very important for each one of us, because we work in this medium. For us, every film is a journey. We really want to hold that journey, something which is very pure, something that holds a memory in our hearts. And for us, we've had great time making this film. And I think some way or the other, it's translated on the screen. So that is why every visual that you see comes out with so much of energy and so much of positivity.
Ali, one last question to Ranveer. Ranveer, this question is for you. Ranveer, every time your movie releases, we see news about your link-ups with co-stars coming up, which helps the movie. But in this movie, there seems to be missing. How do you think it will affect this?
There is a big link-up. There's a big link-up. He's already collapsed, but he's getting linked up with Arjun Kapoor. So that's all good.
Ali, okay. Ali, here. Hi, this is Preeti. Phone nazar nahi aaye.
See, Irfan sir is busy with some stuff right now. That's why he couldn't come here. Second of all, because he will be coming in and joining us for the latter half of the promotions. I think on that note, we'll finish the press conference. And before we finish it, there's also the music launch of the film that is happening today. So I would like to invite Dr. Irshad Kamil, who is the lyricist, and Suhail Sen, who is the music director, on stage. Come.